Before we start, please visit our homepage in the description and copy the questions, paste them somewhere like Word, Notepad so you can read them first. Reading questions in advance is a strategy in the IELTS test. First, you have some time to look at your questions.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the development of LED technology. Light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, are becoming an increasingly popular lighting option due to their efficiency and long lifespan. But how did this technology develop, and what are its advantages? The first visible LED was created in the 1960s by a scientist named 𝙾𝙾𝙀𝙀, and it emitted a red light. Over time, scientists worked on developing LEDs that could emit light in different colors. By the 1990s, blue and green LEDs had been developed, which allowed for the creation of white light when combined with red LEDs. LED technology really started to take off in the 21st century when it became clear that these lights were not only more energy efficient than traditional incandescent bulbs, but they also lasted much longer. A typical LED light can last up to 50,000 hours, whereas an incandescent bulb usually lasts only about 1,000 hours. One major breakthrough in LED technology came with the development of the blue LED by Isamu Akasaki, Hiroshi Amano, and Shuji Nakamura, for which they were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2014. This invention was crucial because it enabled the production of bright white LED light, revolutionizing lighting. In terms of efficiency, LEDs use about 80% less energy than incandescent bulbs and significantly reduce electricity costs over time. They also do not contain harmful substances like mercury, which is found in some other lighting technologies, making them safer for the environment. LED technology continues to evolve. New developments include smart LED systems that can be controlled remotely through apps and sensors. These systems are not only more convenient, but also more energy efficient, as they adjust brightness based on the time of day or the presence of people in a room. In summary, the development of LED technology has transformed the way we think about lighting, making it more sustainable, efficient, and environmentally friendly.